Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Damien from the Creative Edu Academy, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about one of our courses here at the Creative Edu Academy, and that is the Corporate English Training Program. What we have in offer for you, we'd like to grow your business in a way that focuses on the English language and your team's English ability. Using this Corporate English Training Program, we can solve problems that cost your business money. Many Tauke's face English problems. Well, we want to help become the solution for that. And here, we do not want any of these corporate businesses to lose sales, miscommunicate, make email mistakes, or feel low in confidence when presenting what's important. Well, here, our practical business English program could be and will be your best solution. No boring grammar lessons. We here are here to teach your staff the English they need for the job. The three key advantages designed for SMEs. Well, number one thing's for sure, we here want to customize the best English course for your business so that we can tailor to your staff's daily tasks and needs. Number two, we have flexible. By flexible, I mean incredibly flexible training schedules, which could be at your office, factory, or online. You could choose the schedule that does not disrupt your business operations, and this can be a further advantage in making your corporate English better. Number three, we focus on speaking confidence, not just writing or vocabulary, but what comes out from the tongue and the mouth. That is what is important in making your company confident speakers. So, what are the core skills that your team will master? One thing's for sure, confident customer and call handling, professional business email writing, discussing products and prices, clear work presentations, all with the start of a simple 3-step process. Step 1, free consultation. Step 2, customized plan. And step 3, you will start training with your workmates or your colleagues. So step 1, we have free consultation. We will meet with you or have a call for a friendly chat to gain a deep understanding of what your company lacks and needs. So this will help you figure out what is needed best for the workers in the company. And then we will devise a customized plan to help create a goal or training plan that will help your company's goals and budget. All of this to step 3, which focuses on you and your team to start training and immediately begin their practical and effective interactive English training. From the very first lesson, we want to make sure they feel comfortable so that they will be able to gain an immediate improvement in their skills and confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Ready to empower your team and grow your business? A small investment like this in your team's English skills could bring big returns for your company. I'll see you here at the Creative Edu Academy. Feel free to join us now with the Corporate English Training Program. See you here